For a long time, astronomers believed that an unusual interstellar object known as 3I Atlas would simply pass through our solar system and continue its journey into deep space. Early observations suggested it would make a distant approach near Mars before disappearing forever. But as more data arrived from powerful observatories, the story became far more intriguing. The object first attracted attention because of its extraordinary speed. Traveling faster than most known visitors from outside our solar system, it immediately became a subject of intense study. Scientists expected typical comet-like behavior, including predictable outgassing and gradual changes caused by solar heating. Instead, researchers began noticing subtle deviations that sparked debate. As telescopes gathered additional observations, small variations appeared in its trajectory. While such changes can occur naturally when gases escape from the surface of an icy body, some analysts argued that the patterns seemed unusually consistent. Brightness fluctuations, periodic emissions, and unexpected activity led to a wave of speculation across scientific communities and online forums. The most controversial claims emerged after reports suggested that certain emissions appeared at regular intervals. Some observers proposed that these repeating patterns resembled controlled adjustments rather than random outbursts. Others strongly disagreed, pointing out that natural celestial objects often display complex behavior that can appear artificial when data is limited. As interest grew, attention shifted toward Mars. Updated orbital calculations indicated that the object would pass closer to the planet than originally expected. Although a direct collision remained highly unlikely according to mainstream analysis, the possibility of a closer encounter fueled public fascination. The debate intensified when independent researchers proposed unconventional explanations. Some suggested that the object might contain unusual materials or possess characteristics not commonly associated with ordinary comets. These ideas quickly spread across social media, inspiring theories that ranged from advanced natural phenomena to the possibility of extraterrestrial technology. Meanwhile, planetary scientists focused on a more practical question. What would happen if a large interstellar object ever struck Mars? The answer was dramatic. Such an impact could release enormous energy, excavate a massive crater, and eject debris across vast distances. It could also affect future exploration missions and alter local geological conditions. Speculation expanded even further when discussions turned toward the possibility of life. Mars has long been considered one of the most promising locations in the solar system for evidence of past microbial activity. If an unusual object interacted with the planet, it could potentially influence future investigations into Martian biology and planetary evolution. As observations continued, researchers examined every available detail. Spectral signatures, chemical compositions, and light fluctuations were analyzed repeatedly. Each new dataset produced fresh interpretations. Some scientists emphasized caution and urged reliance on established evidence, while others encouraged exploration of unconventional possibilities. Public interest transformed the object into more than an astronomical curiosity. It became a symbol of humanity's fascination with the unknown. Questions emerged about our place in the universe, the likelihood of intelligent life elsewhere, and the possibility that interstellar visitors could carry information about distant regions of the galaxy. The closer the object approached, the more attention it received. Observatories around the world coordinated their efforts, sharing measurements and refining predictions. Every adjustment to its projected path generated headlines and renewed discussions. Yet amid all the theories, one fact remained clear: the universe continues to surprise us. Whether 3I Atlas proves to be an unusual comet, a rare interstellar fragment, or something entirely unexpected, its appearance reminds us that space is filled with mysteries waiting to be understood. The true significance of the object may not lie in whether it impacts a planet or reveals evidence of advanced technology. Instead, its importance may come from the questions it inspires. Every unexplained signal, every unusual observation, and every distant visitor challenges humanity to look farther and think deeper. As scientists continue to study 3I Atlas, the story remains unfinished. New observations may confirm existing theories or overturn them completely. Until then, the object remains a fascinating traveler from beyond our solar system, carrying with it the possibility of discovery and the reminder that the cosmos still holds secrets beyond our imagination. The closer 3I Atlas moved toward the inner solar system, the more difficult it became to explain every observation with complete confidence. New measurements continued to arrive from observatories across Earth, and each dataset added another layer to the mystery. Researchers noticed that the object's brightness was changing in unusual ways. At times it appeared stable, while at other moments it displayed sudden increases in intensity. Some astronomers argued that these fluctuations could be caused by rotating jets of gas and dust. Others suggested that the object's structure might be far more complex than previously believed. Attention soon shifted to the region surrounding Mars. The red planet had become the focal point of countless simulations, with scientists calculating thousands of possible trajectories. Most models still showed a safe passage, but a small number revealed scenarios in which unexpected activity could significantly alter the object's path. The possibility sparked worldwide interest. News outlets, researchers, and space enthusiasts followed every update. For many people, 3I Atlas was no longer just another celestial object. It had become a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that the universe often refuses to fit neatly within human expectations. Meanwhile, advanced instruments searched for clues hidden within the object's composition. Spectroscopic studies identified a mixture of familiar elements alongside signatures that were difficult to classify. While none of these findings proved anything extraordinary, they encouraged further investigation. As debates intensified, several independent teams began comparing the object's behavior with records of other interstellar visitors. What they found was surprising. Although every object from outside the solar system possesses unique characteristics, 3I Atlas appeared to occupy an extreme end of multiple categories at once. Its speed, activity levels, and observational anomalies made it unlike anything previously studied. The mystery deepened when researchers mapped the object's journey through space. Patterns emerged that some considered remarkable coincidences. Key points along its route appeared to align with significant gravitational regions of the solar system. Most scientists cautioned against reading too much into these alignments, yet the discussion continued to grow. At the same time, Mars itself became the subject of renewed attention. Orbiters studying the planet collected fresh data from ancient volcanic regions, deep canyons, and subsurface formations. Several teams reported unusual variations in atmospheric conditions, though no direct connection to 3I Atlas could be established. Public imagination quickly filled the gaps left by uncertainty. Theories spread across the internet, ranging from advanced natural phenomena to ideas involving forgotten cosmic events. While many of these claims lacked evidence, they demonstrated the powerful effect the object was having on global curiosity. For planetary scientists, however, the real importance of 3I Atlas lay in the opportunity it provided. Never before had humanity been able to study such an unusual interstellar visitor with so many advanced instruments operating simultaneously. Every observation offered valuable information about environments far beyond our solar system. As weeks passed, one conclusion became increasingly clear. Regardless of its ultimate nature, 3I Atlas was changing the way scientists approached interstellar research. New models were developed, new questions were asked, and long-standing assumptions were challenged. The object continued its journey in silence, crossing millions of kilometers of space while telescopes remained fixed upon it. Somewhere beyond the limits of ordinary understanding, answers waited to be discovered. And as humanity watched, a larger realization began to emerge. The greatest mystery was not necessarily what 3i Atlas was. The greater mystery was how many other visitors like it might already be traveling through the darkness, unnoticed, carrying stories from distant stars. The universe had opened a small window, and through that window humanity caught a brief glimpse of something unfamiliar. Whether that glimpse would lead to a breakthrough, a surprise, or an entirely new chapter in astronomy remained unknown.